Good day everyone. Many of you are already aware that SARS has access to your bank account and that they can actually withdraw funds from there if they think that you have not paid your dues. Now SARS is going to a whole new level, and we know that they were given a lot of extra money to invest in artificial intelligence programs that could monitor, track and trace your account in real time. And this is now going to become a reality, and based on an article in Jacaranda FM, which I will link in the description below this video, as well as the first comment, it says it starts to start monitoring your bank transactions in real time. So this is basically what artificial intelligence can do. If you have a large fiber network, you can monitor, track and trace almost anything connected to that network, and banks certainly are. And it says here South African Revenue Services has announced that it will implement a new real-time monitoring system that will be able to detect interest-bearing transactions, capital gains and digital wallet activities almost immediately. And I think this is quite a bit of a scare tactic at this stage, and hopefully they will try and get the people of South Africa to buy into something instead of them feeling that they are attacking. And that is what's been happening up until now, and people have been up in arms over this, and understandably so. And especially if they remove the possibility of you using cash. At the moment we can use cash in South Africa, and that's the one thing that SARS cannot monitor, track and trace. They cannot monitor, track and trace cash, and this is why they want to make South Africa a cashless society. And there's many shops already around the country that are going completely cashless. And the interesting thing is that the Reserve Bank is actually behind digital currencies and many other things, when they are supposed to protect your right to be able to use cash as a legal form of tender in South Africa. The system will also track activity from banks and other financial platforms. According to SARS, this upgraded system will help detect undeclared income. It will also reduce the need for manual audits and help address the tax gap. We are improving our ability to detect non-compliance instantly. If income is earned, it must be declared, said SARS Commissioner Edward Kieswetter, unless you are involved in intelligence services where all sorts of cash is used, handed out to informants, etc., and they are told not to declare it to SARS. So Mr. Edward Kieswetter, your laws do not apply to everybody, and you need to understand that people of South Africa will decide if they will allow this, if they will want this, if they will tolerate this, if they want this kind of intrusion in their lives. And many people might just leave South Africa if they feel that they are being intruded upon too much. Because you must understand that a state depends on the welfare of the people of the country, tolerating their reach, especially into their pockets, when they deliver bugger all, and they are actually collapsing the economy within which those people need to function. So tell me in the comments what you think about the fact that SARS will now implement the system using your taxpayers' money to screw your every move over. Everything you do on any digital site will be seen in real time using artificial intelligence. You can go and read the rest of this article yourself. But tell me in the comments how you feel about this type of intrusion into your privacy. And at what stage does the government overreach? And at what stage do the people decide that they've had enough? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet. And do consider becoming a member. Every Thursday evening at 8:30. We do a members community live chat where we discuss documents and many other things happening in the world in a lot more detail. Thanks so much. Till the next video.